In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a gift card from Amazon. We'll walk through the process on a desktop browser so everything is easy to see, and I'll share a few tips along the way to avoid common hiccups. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Amazon.com. If your region uses a different Amazon site, the layout is usually the same, but I'll reference Amazon.com as an example. Give the page a second to load completely so the menus appear. Next, sign into the Amazon account that currently has the gift card saved. This is important. Removal only affects the account you're logged into, so make sure it's the right one before you continue. If you share a computer, double check that no one else is signed in. On the Amazon homepage, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over Account and Lists. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click your account. If hovering doesn't open the menu, you can also click the words Account and List to get to the same place you'll land on your account dashboard. Here, select your payments. This opens your wallet where Amazon shows your saved payment methods and any associated gift cards. Take a moment to scan the page so you know where everything is. Locate the gift card you want to remove. Depending on your view, it may appear under payment methods or in a gift card section. If you don't see the card listed, it may have already been redeemed to your balance. Redeemed gift cards become part of your gift card balance and can't be individually removed. When you find the correct card, click Remove next to it. A confirmation prompt may appear to make sure you intend to remove this gift card from your account. Confirm your choice. Keep in mind that removing a saved card doesn't refund any balance. It simply detaches that card from your wallet. After you confirm, the page will refresh and the gift card should no longer appear in your list. If you still see it, try refreshing the page or signing out and back in to update the view. You can always add new gift cards in the future by returning to your payments or using the redeem a gift card option on Amazon. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Amazon tips and tutorials.